Okay, our next options here, we can go integrated site test, start doing our test that we just built. We can also just do a meter test, if we so choose, which will let us do a customer load test or a register test. Gives you the options to verify or make any changes you might want to do to that test file you built strictly for the custom load test. And then it pulls up over here to the next screen. Once you hit next, shows you a wiring diagram. That way you can verify you're wired correctly. And then it goes into pre-status check where it looks for pulses, valid signals, etc. We do not have any of those presently, so we will previous out of this. And it takes you back to your main menu. The other option under here is register testing, which is a new feature. You need access to your meter's register. Put in your meter number, your demand period, all this general information if you wish. Next, you would put in at this point the start value of the register on the meter and hit start. When the test is over, based on the time you told it you were going to run, it will ask you to put in the ending value of the register. Then it will give you an accuracy rating based on before and after values. Option 4, instrument transformer testing. This is where if you just want to do a customer load CT test, a burden measurement test, a PT test, or a PT burden measurement. You can do each of those individual without having to do a site verification test first. Option 5 deselects the site. Options 6 and 7, utilities and recall data, are exactly the same as they were in the other one. Your hotkeys over to the right here would bring up your waveforms, your vectors, a digital multimeter, or a harmonics display once you're hooked up and live on voltage. Once your testing is completely finished, you can either deselect site, option 5, and then you just turn your unit off. Hold it down for a couple seconds, and that concludes the 3 series. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us or go to the user manual and look up the issue there.